Hey everyone, it's Daniel with Watches.com, and today I'm going to show you the Xeric Halograph Chrono. Xeric launched a bunch of new colors, but this one is the Army Green. The Halograph Chrono comes in this really cool travel pouch to keep your watch safe when you're on the go. And there's the Halograph Chrono. So we'll peel that off, let you see the dial. So what's cool about this is that it looks complicated, but it's really easy to read. So the hours and minutes are all on the top. It's a split display, unlike a normal watch. The inner arcs are the hours. The outer arcs are the minutes. So I'll show you. All right, so right now, that reads 10:05. Spin it some more. And we'll go all the way to noon. Another cool feature is the double dome sapphire crystal. Let's see if we can get that. It just rises up over. That's like you're looking into a spaceship or something. It's cool. All right, let's put this thing on the wrist and see how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you can check out this watch and 1,000 other cool timepieces on Watches.com. Thanks, and see you next time.